I wonder how it looks in a box. Doesn't it look delicious and fluffy? This time, I'll use a coral-flavored stick. Divide it into two, then tie a knot. Remember to leave a loop. Then put these two sticks through this loop. Leave a little bit to make the shape of an ear. The rest of the sticks are crossed to fill the gap in the middle. Then use scissors to trim the hair. A little bear is as easy as turning over. Make two exactly the same. Use ordinary sticks to make the center of the heart. Compare to the little bear we just made. First, set up the frame, then fill it up. Finally, stick it up with hot glue. Glue the nose and eyes. Little bit of makeup. Stick it to the butterfly knot. In the same way, make a rabbit and a cat.